When it was released in 1985, Disney's The Black Cauldron was the most expensive animated film to have ever been made. It cost twice as much as Back to the Future, which was released the same year, but it only recouped half of what it cost, and so it was seen as a box office bomb, actually putting the future of Disney Studios in jeopardy. To add insult to injury, it was surpassed at the box office by the animated rival, the Care Bears movie. All that said, The Black Cauldron featured several Disney firsts. It was Disney's first PG-rated animated film. It was Disney's first non-musical film. In other words, this was the first Disney film to not feature any musical numbers or any characters singing. It was the first Disney animated feature to use computer technology such as CGI. And it was the first movie Tim Burton worked on that he earned a mention in the film's ending credits. In the years since its release, The Black Cauldron has gained a cult following, which it should, because it's a really good movie. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for the full lesson on drawing the Horn King from The Black Cauldron and hundreds of other drawing videos.